Friends, hello everyone. I have installed Envel's brand central locking system in my Nissan Frontier car that you have seen, and I wanted to share it with you. The structure of our key coming out of the product has a high quality and stylish design. When we press the on button, the lights flash twice, and when we turn them off, they light up only once. Now I'm going to show you how I assemble my car. For motors and one starting mechanism come out of the package. We do the installation process inside the door of the vehicle in such a way that it does not prevent the window from opening and closing. We connect the cables coming out of the engine part with cables of the same color. We make a connection to the red cable from the 12-volt electricity that constantly comes to the vehicle from the fuse panel, and we connect the black cable to the chassis from anywhere in the vehicle. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe. Thank you.